Yes guys, how we doing? Another video, another day, and we're packing orders again for eBay today. We've got 5 orders, we've got some Wii remotes, we've got a Game Boy, GameCube adapter, and also we have a game which is Soul Calibur, I think 2 for PlayStation 2, but it's a Japanese game. So it should be pretty cool, you know, just stay locked in, keep watching. So today we've got 5 orders, totaling to £92, which isn't too bad for 5 orders, to be fair. But you know, it's a slow Saturday, to be fair, and we're going to see what's happening tomorrow and into a new week. End of the month I thought it'd be picking up more, but I guess with the sun being out and all, everyone's outside partying, playing, and they're not really bothered about ordering any kind of gaming products, to be fair, at the minute. Hopefully next week it picks up and into summer break. So that's it from today for me, guys. It's £92, 5 orders. Slow Saturday, but thank God we're still getting orders, and we're going to see what's happening next week as well, and hopefully, fingers crossed, into summer break when the kids are off and people are ordering controllers, games and items for the kids and for themselves. But yeah, stay tuned, keep locked in. Thanks again. Peace.